Imagine your business relies on complex high-value assets distributed throughout your premises, and you're offered a system that pulls together information about every asset, presenting it visually so that anything you need to know about any asset is available at your fingertips. With integration into enterprise asset management systems like IBM Maximo Application Suite. That's Visualise Info, complex data at a glance. Humans process images 60,000 times faster than words. Visualise Info takes complex data from a wide range of sources and makes them intuitive and easy to interact with through visualization. Real users don't read manuals. Empower more of your workforce by making software simpler to use and data easier to interpret. Visualise Info delivers significant operational and financial benefits, enabling condition-based maintenance, optimizing energy usage, and improving ESG reporting.